let me take you into the Blackmagic camera and show you its capabilities. I'm going to quickly show you everything in the setting and what it does, including the advanced setting. Entering the setting on landscape mode, you will have the record menu at top. From there, you will see the codec settings, which contains the latest HVEC codec, which is H.265, and also you still have the older H.264 codecs. The resolution shows you all the resolution your camera is capable of delivering. Since I'm using the S24 Ultra for this, it is capable of shooting 8K at 30 FPS, and good luck with editing that on mobile apps. The color space contains the Rec 709, which is the standard color, or you can go raw with the HLG 10-bit RAW format. If you love to shoot RAW, then the B2020 HLG10 RAW format will give you that 10-bit RAW video for you to tweak in post. If the frame drops while you're recording, which is a rare situation, you could be alerted or the recording can be stopped. The camera setting has lots of settings you can turn on and off, but the most important is turning on vertical videos on so that you can shoot reels and short video formats. You can lock the white balance, which I set here. Also, there is the shutter management, lens correction, noise reduction, and lots more. Audio settings allow you to choose audio source. As I earlier showed in the video, I connected the newer CM28 from the USB and used the audio source for my video recording. You can record as stereo or mono, tweak the sample rate to auto, or you can, select any other option you have. You have two other options. Your audio meter also can be tweaked. It gets more interesting with the monitor settings. You can tweak focus assistant type, the color, the opacity, the guide color. And yes, there is HDMI monitoring if your device supports USB alt mode or your device have USB-C DisplayPort output function. You can also get HDMI clean feed or with on-screen text. You can mirror the screen or take only the video feed. These are proper pro level camera features. If you choose to mirror the display, to an HDMI out, you can also choose which test display that you can turn on and off. The media setting starts with record proxy menu. Proxy means your videos are recorded twice as backup. The proxy videos uses high level compression. If you have Blackmagic Cloud subscription, you can automatically back up the proxy videos to the cloud, and that way you have a great backup in case something goes wrong. But if you don't, my advice is to turn it off because it will probably be making duplicates of every video you shoot. The LUTs menu shows how advanced the Blackmagic Camera app is. You can download LUTs from anywhere, import them into your camera. You can even export your LUTs. You can record LUTs to your video, which is a wild feature to have on a smartphone. The preset is where you can save all your settings as presets. You can export them or import new preset that you've set before. This makes it so easy. You have different shooting arrangements you have set. You save it as preset, recall it one touch, and then go in straight into action. It makes it really, really feel a professional camera. But you also get chat services if you logged into your Blackmagic. So you can send message to your team, friends, and other people who you follow on the Blackmagic community. That's about that. Go right now to the App Store, the Play Store, download the Blackmagic Camera app and check it out. So until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world. Subscribe. I'll see you.